Are you tired of watching long YouTube videos just to get one answer? Here's how to summarize any YouTube video in seconds using free AI tools. Just go ahead, open up your browser and install any of the free extension, either YouTube Digest or ChatGPT Summary for YouTube. Please note that these extensions are totally free and safe. Let me go ahead and add YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude to my Google Chrome browser. Once extension is added, let's go ahead and pin it to our Chrome toolbar. Now let's view some quick settings. The default AI model we want to select, that is 4.1 ChatGPT model, and for the language this is only for the prompt, right? I will keep my language to default English. Now let's try summarizing a video into short key point. You can see here we got the option of transcript and summary. Just go to ChatGPT icon and select ChatGPT 4.1. Now this extension will instantly open another tab and send all the details of this video to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will summarize this video into 10 bullet points so that you will get to the point details of the long video in only few points. Another bonus tip for you, you could also go ahead and find the transcript of this video. We want to remove toggle timestamp from here. Just copy all the video transcript and go into ChatGPT and paste it here. We just want to ask ChatGPT, please summarize this video transcript in 5 bullet points. ChatGPT will instantly analyze and summarize the whole video into 5 bullet points for you. That's it. Now you can summarize any YouTube video instantly with AI. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell. See you in the next one.